In my time in the PT industry, I've met with many clinic owners, and a lot of them were great clinicians with a dream to create something more than just being a clinician. They wanted to expand their outreach, and so they started their own practice. Within that, though, they started realizing they had to wear more and more hats, and some of those hats came with things that they didn't know how to do. This causes revenue leaks or operational workflows that probably aren't optimized. At Prompt Health, we want to be more than just your software solution. We want to be your business partners. And so with that, we stood up Prompt Business Coaching. Prompt Business Coaching is here to help you with anything you may want in order to optimize your business, whether that be future growth, whether that be to shore up processes so you don't have the revenue leaks, or whether that's simply a sounding board to get with us and say, hey, we're planning to do this. What do you think about it? Or what have you seen throughout the industry that works? If any of this sounds familiar to you or you're interested in any way, we'd be more than happy to book a discovery call and partner with you in order to customize a plan that will get you where you want to be.